Hi guys, it's the Weird News segment and you are welcome. See, I bring you good tidings of weirder news that I've ever brought you before. Sit down, strap your seats and let us go. So while some of us are spending money that we will have used to buy shawarma, to buy fleet against these evil mosquitoes, a country has built the world's largest mosquito factory. Yes, as it shocked you, it shocked me too. So apparently dengue fever is on the high in Brazil, and one way to combat it is by producing the flying bloodsuckers. Ew, but what the heck, man. On to the next one. In Russia, the new GOAT, okay, is the wigs of the pubic hair. You heard me right, so you don't hear wrong. Yes, so pubic hair wigs are now on the high in Russia, okay? And they are paying as much as 20,000 rubles to get these wigs. That's about $245 to get these tiny wigs, and they glue them to their pubic area because they want the popular 1990s natural look. Hey! Oh Lord, let me not shout. Let's not shout. Let's calm down. So you're probably wondering, why are these people not even growing their own? Like, God has given it to you, grow your own stuffs. But they don't want to. Many don't want to, that is, because of the itchiness of growing a new hair, while others are on the permanent hair removal route. Weird or weird. Let's go to number 3. So if you think you're more important than your pet, guy, you are wrong. Your pet is more important than you and your relationship, okay? And that's what our newly Indian wed couple think. Because their pets refuse to be friends, they decided that, the best thing to do is to break this marriage, okay? So that's just how deep love can be. If you're not loving like this, you are loving wrong. On to the last one. Fingernails are now the new money-making business. Apparently, according to Chinese traditional medicine, it's been discovered that these nails are valuable ingredients in concoctions used to treat conditions like abdominal distensions in children and tonsillitis. The good part, if you want to go into this business, it's free. You don't have to buy one to, sell one. It comes from you directly. But if you ask me, I'm seeing VPs in this. What's VP? I'm seeing village people. So be careful, guys. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the next weird news. Next week, you're going to see us again. So bye, guys.